Alright, hello everyone. This is Miss Crute. I'm doing an example of your line and shape insect. I'm going to do a bee, and since it has pretty long wings, I turn my paper horizontal. So depending on what insect you choose, you might want a vertical or horizontal paper. That's up to you. I'm going to start my bee off in the center of the paper. I'm going to start with its eyes. You can use the handout that's on the assignment to pick your insect and draw from there, or if you have something in mind that's not on there and you want to look up a Google image, that's fine as well. Up to you. So I'm starting with the different sections of my bee's body, and it has 3 different sections here. Just using simple shapes. I'm looking at an example as I draw. Okay, so I have the different parts of the body. Now I'm ready for the wings. I'm going to try to make it symmetrical because insects have each side is the same, so I want this wing to look a lot like my other wing. Okay, that's pretty close. Now, I don't want to forget to add my bee's legs. Don't just draw lines for these. We don't want stick arms and legs. We want to make the shapes instead, so they're nice and detailed. Okay, so I have 2 in the front and then 2 in the back. Or I have 2 up here and then 4 in the back. That's what it was. There we go. So look in an example as you're doing it so that you're getting it right. Draw big so you take up most of the paper. If you make a mistake, figure out how to make it work. You can draw a bigger shape around it and then add patterns over it later, or something like that. So I'm starting with just the outline, and then from here you're going to look at the example sheets with different lines and shapes and decorate your insect with patterns and all those lines and shapes. You can use color if you want, or you can do it all black and white. When you're finished, you'll take a picture and then upload it either on Canvas, or you can send it to me through email or Dojo, whatever works best for you, so that I can check it. Okay? I'll upload a picture of my finished bee for you to see, but you need to make sure that you use your own ideas and choose your own insect. I don't want it to look just like mine. All right, good luck. Have fun.